Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive progression and response from your end. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates. Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today we will cover the exercise part of the poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. Now friends, let us answer these interesting questions. The first question is, what did the child see? Friends, let us try to remember the answer to this question. Let me help you out friends. The answer to this question is, the child saw a little bird. The next question is, what was the little bird doing? Do you remember friends? Well, let me help you out friends. The correct answer is, the little bird came and hopping to the window and then shook his tail and flew away. Now let us move on to our next question. Our next question is, do you see any birds around your school or your house? Friends, comment your answer below. Which birds you have seen around your school or your house? My answer is, yes, I see many birds around my school and house like pigeons, crow, duck, sparrow. Our next question is, have you tried to talking to them? Friends, take your time to solve this question and comment your answer below. My answer is, yes, I tried talking to a bird one day ago, but it did not talk to me. My answer is, yes, I tried talking to a bird one day ago, but it did not talk to me. Friends, I hope you are having fun doing this. I will provide you more examples, worksheets, interesting puzzles in our FB and Telegram groups. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram group. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us do some fun again. This is a picture of a peacock. Here you can see 26 letters around the peacock. We have to match these letters from A to Z by drawing lines. Now friends, let us start joining. First letter is A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last letter is Z. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Now let us move on to our next slide. Say these words aloud and discuss about the picture. Then take the right answer. The first word is roof, then door, then windows, walls, floor, plants, dustbin. Friends, look at the picture carefully. This is a picture of a house. Now let us observe the picture and try to answer this question. The first question is, what is the color of the roof? Is it pink or blue? This is called roof and the color of the roof is pink. Our next question is, what are the color of the wall? Is it yellow or red? Wall means a vertical brick wall structure encloses a house. These are called walls. Friends, try to answer this question. Take your time to think. Yes, you are right. The color of the walls is yellow. The next question is, what are the color of the windows? Is it green or brown? Friends, you can also take help from the picture. These are called windows. Yes, you guessed it correct. The color of the windows is brown. Our next question is, what is the color of the door? Is it blue or grey? Look at the picture, friends. Yes, the color of the door is blue. Our next question is, what is the color of the dustbin? Is it pink or grey? Here is the dustbin. So, the color of the dustbin is pink. Friends, let us move on to our next question. This question has already been done earlier, friends. Our next question is, what is the color of the plant? Is it green or orange? Observe the plants. The plants are green in color. Our last question is, what is the color of the floor? Is it grey or brown? Look at the picture of the floor. Yes, the color of the floor is grey. Friends, I hope this is clear to you. Now let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer, friends. The answer of the previous day's surprise question is 24. Friends, look at the number. This is a 2-digit number. This number comes after 23 and comes before 25. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I am a white colored bird with a long beak. And the last clue is, I found mainly near a pond or a lake. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.